One of the first things I do in the morning also is have hot lemon water with apple cider vinegar and cayenne pepper. I'm Wendie Pett with Visibly Fit, and I'm telling you, this is the ticket to alkalize your body, and also it helps to boost your immune system. So I actually just take a little slice of lemon, depending on the size of lemon. You can take a quarter, you can take a half, and just squeeze it right into your warm water. Squeeze it right in there. I drop it in, and then I take about, okay, I don't even measure it, but I start with 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. I'm like, that's good, maybe a little more. So if you want to measure it, you can. But you want to make sure you get the apple cider vinegar, the one that has the mother in it, okay? That's going to be the most beneficial. It's going to help with the balancing of your gut bacteria. This is, again, a great way to boost the immune system, great source of vitamin C, B vitamins, antioxidants. And then I just kind of put a little bit of cayenne pepper, a little more. I'm from Texas, I like the heat. So you put in some hot water, warm water in here with it, which I already have, and you just sip it. So instead of, it's really good, I love it, every morning. Instead of having coffee, which makes your body very acidic, this is the way to go. It helps to detoxify your body. Again, it hydrates your body. This is what your body wants. So give it to it at the cellular level, all right? I'm Wendie Pett with Visibly Fit. Hope you enjoy your morning drink.